Hello guys, my name is William Wita. Welcome so much to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification button to access more very video important tutorials that we will be uploading at each and every time. So today we are going to look on how to upload a CSV file on Jupyter Notebook. So follow the video till to the end to really understand on how to upload. You are very beginner and you doesn't know how to upload, you doesn't know how to import data to Jupyter Notebook, this tutorial is meant for you. So right away, let us just have a look on how we do this. So we are going to open for my case I'm using an Anaconda. Let me just bring everything to an end so that I can start everything afresh. So I will just quick search here Anaconda. This is the Anaconda prompt command line. So I will just first you open the Jupyter already mine is launched. So Jupyter Notebook, enter, give it some time. Meantime, as we give it some time to load, let us import here, let us give it just some few minutes. It will be very ready for us to go. So it has referred me automatically using my default browser. It has opened here, so it's just telling me that I click here to open the folder. I will just click there. Let me give it some time a bit. So here is our Jupyter. It has really opened up, and without wasting much of the time, I like Chrome. So let me just take this link. Let me just take this link to the other browser. Chrome. Once we are here, let me just copy paste the link and open. Here we are. So we are really, now you can pay much attention here. We want to open a new file. So if you want to open a new file on Jupyter, just click on new, click on Python 3 and it will open a new file here, a new notebook, Jupyter Notebook, that where we will code, because this is the home page. It contains some, you can see here there are some many folders. Some are files, not folders. Some are folders, CVS, okay, the rest of the files. So here is our new notebook. So we are going to rename it uploading. So we are going to rename it uploading. Once we have named it uploading with Pandas, so we are going to, I'm going to minimize here to really show you what's happening. Here you can see we have different files. We have different files here, Anaconda, contact, documents and all that. So these are documents that are already in the Jupyter directory of my PC. I'm going to really show you how to take a document in here, so that I'm not going to use what is already here. That's what I mean. So at this very point, so I'm going to take the open my folder. Let me open my PC and pick one of the data, one of the data sets that are not among the ones that are in my directory, and I'm going to pick the power of silence. Note that really, but I'm going to pick Japanese gold silver. Wow, this is good. So let me pick gold silver, copy paste it on your PC, copy paste it on your PC. Once you're done with that, come back to your Chrome here, to your Jupyter. We want to see under which directory does your Jupyter files are uploaded. So just type wpd and enter. So you can see, for my case it is C /users /user. So this means my directory is really at the local disk and in the folder called users, which carries another folder user. So I'll go back there, open my PC and open my local disk, as we've just shown, we have just saw in our Jupyter notebook there. So here is my users and here is my user. So after opening that, I will pick the folder, the new extension, the new file, the CSV file that I had placed on my desktop, and move it to that user folder. So after that, I will ask you just to allow me to close this, that we can proceed. Let us now open our Jupyter. Here we are, and back to our home page. We want to check whether what we had just uploaded in our directory, it has just came here. So you can see it is here, goldsilver.csv file. You can see it is a CSV file. So we are uploading this, what we are going to import in our Jupyter notebook using Pandas. So come here, import Pandas as PD. Try to run to check whether it is having any problem, but you can see that the code is very pure, doesn't have any error. We have not made any error so far. So we are going to create a variable that will hold our data set. So let us just say df, that is a short form of data frame. So data frame is equals to PD. When you just click on your keyboard, the key that is written tab, to just give you a pop-up there of many inbuilds of Pandas library. And because our file at this very juncture, you can counter check with me that is gold, it's a CSV file. So we are going to read it with an inbuilt of a CSV. So let us just click the tab button and scroll down. Here you go, you see read CSV file. So we just click that and we enter the parenthesis. In between, we are going to use the quotation mark, because what we are going to enter here, it is a string. Remember, the principles of Python is that when you are writing a string, it must be in a quotation, in between the quotation marks. So that's why we have placed it there. And Python is a case sensitive language. So we are going to put the name of our file. So our file, it is named gold silver. Be very keen, because G is capital and S is capital, that you may not mess. So we are going to make .csv, because that's the extension of our file. So we are going to print df, and there you go. So this is your data, and you can see this file has been uploaded. And at this very juncture, you can see we have two columns, that's gold and silver, and we have the lower bottom line. It notifies us that we are having 9,132 rows times 3 columns. So I know these are very big data that we cannot use all of the data to handle. So for us to see maybe if you want to counter check how many